Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and today we have new boy George the Giraffe and he's going to help us today look at this one, which should hopefully be the latest issue of the ImagineFX magazine, which is issue 234 for January 2024. So into a new year now. I've just woken up on a Sunday morning and, well, I should have done this one a few days ago, but what happened was it came on Thursday and we were busy going down the range to get Christmas presents. And then what happened was on Friday, it was Black Friday, and I treated myself to one of these. Dun dun dun! So I got myself a PS5, and that's why I haven't done this for a few days. But what I do on these is we just have a look at the issue for the first time and see what we think of it. And George is getting us inside. I can't remember what this one was going to be, because what I like is that in each issue it tells you what's coming up in the next one. Ooh! So we've got a new advert for 2024. Recycling. What colour do you reckon? It's a yellow spine. It's got a blue front. Learn how to draw and paint with Jensen. I like the character. I'm not sure about the colour though. Like that, something about the colour makes me feel a bit uncomfortable. This is a bit weird, but I love that character. I like the shapes of him. He's cool, he is. I like that. I've always liked that cell shaded style as well. Little George is going to get us in. Also, I haven't done the what's it called? I think it's 2016 is the next one. Here's Roblet, little editor. I love the look of that one. 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 I love that one. Looks like some quite cool stuff in here. Next month, look, Anatomy Masterclass. Hey, look at George's shadow. Did you ever used to watch this programme in the, I think it was the 80s or 90s, called Pob? We used to go, that thing there, that shape reminds me of Pob for some reason. Look, the perfect Christmas gift. £32 plus 2 free books. That's nice, isn't it? Is that a year's worth? Yeah. I think that's a year's worth of ImagineFX for... I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure if it's a year or not. That's cool, isn't it? FX Pose A, look. Oh, look at this one. I love that one. Look, that's the artist, Chewbacca. Oh, cool. Underpalewater. That's the name of the artist, I think. I love this one. You can really feel the wind on that one as well. It's got a sort of Zelda vibe to it. These are nice as well. Jack Nugian. These are sort of like video games as well. Diane. These are weird, aren't they? Look at that, look. It's quite weird, this is. These remind me a bit of Terry Pratchett. Look how diverse the FX Pose section is. It's brilliant. You've got dark stuff and then fun stuff as well. Look at that, look. That's brilliant. I like the lighting. Here's the rookies. The Journey to a Published Art Book. Cool Girls, I've seen that one before. I've seen that on eBay. I love art books. I got so many art books I've got to do videos of. Like really cool ones as well. Huh. Look at this little character here, look. Oh yeah, I love that little guy. What's that from, I wonder? The Final Stand. Look, Echo the Dolphin. Oh, I've also done something else, which I haven't talked about yet. So much has happened over the past few months. What I've done is I've actually sold all my comics. So I sold all my comics, and then that's what I spent that money on a PS5. Yeah. Because what happened was it was getting out. Oh, look at this, look. Art books. Cory Loftis, Art Studio. I love this room. I also love that chair there. I really like that room. Hope we get to see the art books. Now, let's see if we can see what any of these art books are. No, can't really tell. Look at that chair there. It says here, look, this is my ridiculously comfortable recliner that used to sit in my son's nursery. Yeah, sometimes it's more important what it feels like, not what it looks like. That's what she said. Look. There's their artwork as well, look. That's cool. Hey, look, the drawings of Bob Peak. Letters! The Art of Ognjen Sporin. Not heard of that artist before. Looks like they're doing characters. I like characters. I'm quite intrigued by this character here, look. Is that a spider? It's like a, yeah. Almost looks like a sort of friendly spider. I wonder what intelligent spiders would look like. Like if spiders become the most intelligent species, do you think they would look? Do you think they would stand up on 2 legs or something? That's quite cool. I like that. All very dark, isn't it? Joey's sketchbook. We've got lots of sort of fantasy things in this issue. Monsters. I like these. Yay, the workshops. I like that one. Oh, that's nice as well. That is the sketches. A feathered fighter. I always like seeing sketches. Oh, do you know what? I think it looks better facing the other way. Yeah, maybe that's... I don't know. I think I would have actually... I think I would have flipped it on the cover. That's what I'm thinking. I wonder why they chose to do it that way. Delayed detailing. Look at that, look. There's like heads in this armour. There's loads of little heads in this armour. Hey, I love this is my favourite, I think. Look, I love the shape of that head. I've always loved that sort of, because I've seen a lot of artists do that, where like the nose, the tip of the nose all the way is just one line almost. It's a slight little, I love that shape. And look, I love it. Mad Boogie Creations. That's my favourite. That's my favourite art piece in this issue, I think. Yay! Look, that is brilliant. That isn't it? Simplifying it for composition. This looks like a really good article, yeah? Yeah, it's all about composition. I love this one. Consciously choose colour with Mengxuan. Can you see the lights going funny? I'm not sure if you can. What's happened is my cat is there's the artist, look. My cat's jumping around on the lampshade. I like the way this feels like a sort of an anime. Cats everywhere. Oh, there's only 2 pages of that one. Chloe's going, my cat's going mad with the thingy. He reminds me of the boss from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. That head thing in the jar. I'd say there's lots of dark fantasy in this issue. Base fantasy art in reality. I love that. That's like a Mass Effect. Look at the beautiful colours on that. Traditional art. Look at this one. Hey, another cat, look. Oh, these are beautiful. I love these. Angelika, Schulte from Germany. Look, they're done in watercolour, coloured pencils, gouache, ink and graphite. These are like, I can imagine these as playing cards. They're beautiful, they are. David Diaz with these ink and watercolours. These remind me of Jake Parker. I seem to say that quite a lot, but there's a lot of artists who... This is cool as well. Hey, look, there it is on the piece of paper. Yeah. That's cool, that is. What's that one done with, I wonder? Pencils. Just graphite. There he is, look. It's just normal pencils. Graphite pencils. Oh, and a little bit of charcoal. And Blackwing. I don't know what Blackwing is. Lowish. Yay. You love Lowish. Create a black and white ink scene. Look at the little boat there, look. That's funny, isn't it? Sharks. They're probably going to die. They're either going to get squashed by that, hit by lightning, eaten by the sharks, or blown up by these bombs. Yeah, that's quite funny. Or, well, what will happen is when they do die, their bodies will get eaten by these seagulls as well. So there'll be nothing left of them. Chloe! First impressions, that's how we finish. With a little pretty cat. Hello! Nah, what's this one here, look? These are very beautiful. I like the blue tint to it. And that's it. Another issue. The first one of 2024. what would I say? I don't feel like this year got off to a bang. Like last year, what happened last year was I would say the first 4 or 5 issues were just unbelievable. And this one's sort of like in the 2nd division. You got like the Premier League, the 2nd division. This is like probably around the top of the 2nd division. There's some really nice things in here. I'm quite interested to read this one about art books. But George the Giraffe enjoyed this one, and he's going to be with us for the rest of the 2024 issues. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm just going to get Chloe the cat. Also, there's no more editing on these videos because my iMac's still broken. Chloe, do you want to say bye? Dun, 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 dun. Hello! She's fascinated by the, there's a seagull outside. Yeah, do you want to play with George the Giraffe? Oh, look at the shadows. Hello? Play with George the Giraffe. Ah! Under attack. Ah! Ah! The Wrestle. The main event. Weighing in at £5, George versus Chloe the cat. Ah, she's got him pinned down. He's going down. He's going down. This is the main event of WrestleMania. Ah! Go on, Chloe. Go on, George. 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 Ah. 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 He's dead. George might not be coming back for the rest of these ImagineFXs because Chloe has killed him. Da, da, da. Not really, he's still alive. See you next time for another one. You want to say anything, Chloe? Wrestling! Wrestling! I love wrestling with Chloe. It's fun.